corporate social responsibility is spreading to all entities, both private and public. This situation is now leading associations governed by the 1901 law to also consider their own social responsibility. This reflection can sometimes be difficult because corporate social responsibility is generally conceived of and implemented to offset the profit-driven nature of the said company and, of course, to integrate social issues, for example, into its strategy. Associations, by definition, have a mission and activities that, most of the time, already aim to meet a societal need or at least to address the needs of stakeholders, namely the beneficiaries. There would therefore be a kind of redundancy between a concept imported from private companies and associations that already have this inclination. Yet there are more and more stakeholders, political or public actors, funders, and even researchers, who highlight the importance of the social responsibility of associations. Too often modeled after that of businesses, it must be framed within the specific context of associations. The social responsibility of associations is, first and foremost, ensuring that the mission and values are spread throughout the entire organization. Next, it is about remaining in compliance with the law, simply to survive. The responsibility of associations also involves a number of aspects related to accountability and transparency regarding the organization's performance in its day-to-day operations. It is also about maintaining ethical behavior, both at the head of the association and in the field. More broadly, associations can set an example, firstly because they play a fundamental role in raising political awareness and thus have a civic role, but also because they can drive social innovation. This revisiting of the pyramid of responsibilities for non-profit organizations thus offers an original perspective on the social responsibility of associations in a more practical way. A responsible association is, above all, one that ensures it is able to meet the needs of its stakeholders over time, and not just in the short term. Next, it is an association that has ensured that the activities it carries out minimize impacts, for example, on the environment and on volunteers. Finally, it is an association that, if it is able, develops more general activities in order to respond to new social and ecological challenges, for example, by installing beehives at its headquarters. The definition and operationalization of the concept of social responsibility. Some associations are still only in their infancy, but they remain extremely important to prevent the specter of managerialism from becoming a reality.